Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time being to my channel, then welcome to Jay Chevae's channel. I always say that in third person and it's kind of weird. Well, today I will be showing you guys how I got this Rihanna inspired look. She had the half up, half down, red lip, very neutral eye going on, and I loved it. So I had to come create it. You guys, I love Rihanna so much, and her looks are just so pretty. One thing I love about Rihanna's looks is they're really simple, but they're really glam. It's like the perfect, you know, just everyday look. I would do this look any day. I pretty much did the same highlight and contour routine, just a little bit more blush, and I love a red lip. I haven't done a red lip in a long time. If you guys want to see exactly how I created this Rihanna inspired look, stay tuned. Also, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you're not subscribed, you're way behind. Also, I did this really cute protective style, you guys. I just did like a connection down the middle, and I braided the hair, pulled it back, and put it in a very high quick weave ponytail. Very quick and easy protective style. If you want to see how I created this hairstyle, then leave it down in the comments and I'll definitely do that for you. That's all I have for you guys, so we're going to go ahead and get into this tutorial. Alright, starting off with moisturizing my face, I'm going in with my Nivea face cream. This cream is so awesome. Like, I love the consistency of it, and it makes my face feel so hydrated, you guys, like under my makeup. I love this stuff, and it smells delicious. Now for brows, I'm going in with my She Cosmetics eyebrow crayon, and I'm using an angled brush. Riri's eyebrows are like way more thin than mine, and ignore the bags under my eyes, you guys. Like, I had a very long day yesterday, and I had to get up this morning for auditions, so you know, it's just kind of catching up to me. But now I'm just going to start filling in my brows, and to get that thinner eyebrow, I'm going to conceal and just make my eyebrow a little bit more thinner. Alright, now with the Access Concealer, I'm just going to blend it out on top of my lid and just use this as a primer and base for my eyeshadow. Now, after applying the concealer to my lid, I'm just going to set it with a little airspun powder, and I'm using my AOA Studio F19 brush. I love this brush, you guys. It's really perfect for setting your eyelids and also setting your under eye concealer. I'm gonna go in with my ABH palette and use the color Dusty Rose and just apply this in my crease. So for a little bit more definition inside my crease, I'm gonna go in with my Morphe Hey Girl Hey palette, and I'm just going to apply, a darker brown right into the crease so that I can define the crease a little bit more. Alright, moving along to foundation. We'll come back to the eyes later. I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color Cappuccino, and this is my e.l.f. foundation in the color Caramel, and I'm going to mix these two to get my perfect shade. So I'm just going to apply this all over my problem areas first, and then if I need to go in with a little bit more extra coverage, I will. And I'm just going to blend this out with my AOA Studio High Def brush. Alright, now I'm going in with my concealer. Same old, I'm using my Tarte Amazonian Clay concealer. And I've really learned that a little goes a long way with this concealer because it's so full coverage. You really don't need a lot of product. So I just like to apply it right under my eye and down the sides of my nose, and the product will carry everywhere else I want to highlight. Like, I love that concealer. And I'm going back in with my small blending sponge, and I'm just going to blend it out. If you don't use like small sponges like this, I highly recommend it, you guys, because it really helps me when it came to getting precise blend under my eyes. Like, the sponge is perfect for under eye. It goes right under my eye. I don't have problems with the product carrying out too much because of the sponge is too big. Like, this really gives me a precise blend. All right, now after I blend out my concealer, I just go around the edges and blend out any harsh lines. Okay, before my foundation starts to want to do any creasing, I'm gonna go ahead and set it with my air-spun powder. And I'm using my dry Real Technique sponge. I'm really pushing that product in for a full coverage matte stay all day. And before I start adding any other powders, you want to set all of your face even lightly with powder, because once you start moving those brushes around, that's how you create holes in your face. I'm sorry, I'm doing this a lot, but that's how you create those hold and bald spots on your face, and your foundation starts peeking through because you didn't set it before you started moving your brushes around. So I'm just taking my Paris Hilton brush. So I'm just taking my Paris Hilton Kabuki brush and I'm setting the rest of my face so that when I start applying all of my other contour powders and bronzers and stuff, that product will not move. Ready, so to bring some color back to my cheeks, I'm going to go in with my Ruby Kisses powder, and this is in the color Toasted Almond, and I'm just going to use a big powder brush and start bronzing up my cheeks here. Now I'm going in with my MAC Mineralized Pressed Powder in the color Dark, and I'm just bronzing up my cheeks so that I can begin to contour. Alright, so as you can see, that's exactly where I want my contour to give me that sculpted cheek look. And I'm going to go in with a very small fluffy brush. This is a NYX Professional brush, and I'm just going to start building my contour up. Alright, after contouring, it's time for some blush, and I'm going with my Profusion blush palette. I'm just going to brighten up my cheeks some more. Right, to brush off the excess powder, I'm going in with some of my Black Opal Medium Deluxe Pressed Powder, and I'm just going to brush all of the excess powder away, and it's also going to add some warmth to my skin. To finish off the eyes, I'm going with my e.l.f. liquid liner, and I'm basically just going to outline the top part of my eye, or the shape of my eye. I'm not going to add a cat liner. I'm not going to make it look any bigger. I just want to define and bring out the shape of my eye. Alright, now I'm just going to apply some of my mascara, and I'm going to really cake this product on because her lashes are really natural in this picture. Setting my makeup with the Mario Badescu skincare spray. Love, love, love that spray. Alright, for lips today, I'm going to go with my Madly Matte lipstick, and this is in the color 1617, and I'm also going to top it off with the LA Colors Pout Lip Gloss, and this is in the color Lusty, I believe. Yeah, Lusty. I'm gonna go do my hair off camera, and then I'll be right back with the finished look.